Now, girl don't come out now for social media. Come ask question. Very good. He say Europe relationship and Nigeria relationship, which one the last past? Very good, sister. I like this kind of question. And I will answer you. Sister, I want to ask you a small question. When you date Nigeria, you know fair date? Now when you date Europe now, you will fit tell me say you never change boys reach several times. You don't change boys reach several times. And you dey spend 4 years for Europe. So the boy when you don't change now for your relationship, don't many pass the year when you don't spend for Europe.
Jesus is Lord.
And you dey ask this kind of question. Maybe you never even spend 4 years now for Europe and you don't date 7 boys. And you don't forget say for Nigeria that time, person go date girl for good 8 years, 7 years, they will still the relationship, they happy. No fight, no quarrel. They enjoy their relationship. You yourself, you date Europe, you dey ask this kind of question. You know they see wetin dey happen for Europe. When be say guess now, if you don't date girl, if you fit manage reach 6 months, you don't try. You won't kill her. You dey ask this kind of question. This question wey you carry come social media so, we go answer you because we said we don't tire. That time for Nigeria, I hear say when you don't date girl, you and your girlfriend, una go don take like 8 years, the girl will come to resemble you. You will come to resemble the girl. Come Europe. If you dey date girl for Europe now, for the girl to resemble you, you go to resemble another boy, maybe your neighbor. Now, they don't know person where they are alive for. Now when you don't die, now people they know am. This life no balance. So I don't even know whether the time when they go school, whether their teacher not teach them how to congratulate person, how to share good news with person, how to wish person happy birthday. I don't know whether they not teach them that time when they go school. Because when person they alive, nobody will congratulate them, nobody they celebrate them, nobody will feel happy. But now when you don't die, people will come to say, hey, yeah. Whether now, hey, yeah, they teach them for their school that time, I don't know. Because a lot of people from Nigeria, they like, hey, yeah, pass any other thing. They don't store ROIP for their brain. And hey, yeah, so sad. Oh, very bad. I hear say your wife don't born. I hear say your papa don't buy motor. I hear say you don't open your house. No, they don't tell this one. They don't they announce this one. They don't they post them. No. I hear say your first son don't die. Hey, yeah, very sad. Now their hard work with this. I hear say your pikin don't call house. Don't buy car. Don't build a house. They okay. No, they don't they talk that one. I hear say that your pikin a thief now. Anywhere you enter, something must miss. You know, go meet that baba, make he tell you what did they make her the thief. Now all those kind things that they like to ask person. Because people they forbid to congratulate person. I don't know why some people don't do this like they not sabi tell person say very good. No, they don't learn very good. Now very bad, now they learn. So sad. Una they forbid to tell person say congratulations. No, I want just answer this question. Una they forbid to say congratulations. Happy birthday. No, they not. Una they talk all this one. Una they forbid to talk am. No, if you just tell person that congratulations, na sleep, na not wake up again. Make una learn how to wish person good. Because if you dey wish person good, you yourself, everything concern you go still dey good. No let people know you for bad thing, for particular something. Say anywhere you enter, now fake rumors, fake news. Then you dey carry the waka. Wetin your eye not reach. You dey pray for better thing for person, no bad thing. When you know road, when you follow, it good for you. No, you no go introduce your friend put o. Make you not go make am because the way you take make am. But if you enter road when e backfire you, you nearly die before God come help you come out for the road. And that time, now you go know say you get friends. And you come dey lead them to the place, to the road where you know say you enter, e no good. Change o. This year won't finish, so if you be that kind person, change. If you no change, avoid me for messenger, avoid me for my WhatsApp. I don't need those kind of friends. If you be afraid when they feel they bring good news for person table, avoid me.
Thank you for the word so sweet.
Thank you for watching that funny comedy. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, MC Soup Not the Rain. Please like, share, comment. Share to your people, your family, your friends. Please subscribe and like. Please don't forget to press the notification bell so that anytime when I drop comments, you will be the first to receive it. Chee!